Hello, everybody. It's Johnny Campbell here, the Transition Man. Want to welcome you to my next video here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the best ideas for 2020 and beyond. And the reason I wanted to share this video and really create this video series going forward on my channel was because of all the events that have occurred in 2020. We can all agree that there's a lot has happened in 2020, and we're going to continue to have to deal with this in 2020 and beyond. So our ability to cope with this financially is going to be key to our success. Now, each and every one of us has had to deal with these events in our own unique way, but the one thing that has been revealed through all of the things that have gone on is that in 2020, you have to have your own financial game plan in order to be more successful. So going online and looking for ideas, ways to earn additional income based on your current employment is a great idea. So if you're watching this video for the first time and you've never heard of me before, this will be our opportunity to get to know one another, because what I'm going to do is talk about how you do just that. Now, if you've done any searching online, you've seen videos where people talk about these great ideas and online businesses. And a lot of times they reference the usual suspects. They talk about you can make an online business out of YouTube. You can make an online business out of Facebook. You can make an online business out of Amazon. You could make an online business out of affiliate marketing. And each and every one of these are good ideas, but here's the reality. They're not great ideas. And the reason they're not great ideas is because each and every one of those is actually a tool to really help your idea be birthed and to grow and to be profitable. See, when people talk about those particular ideas, they're talking about that as the business. But in my mind, those are really not the business. You still haven't come up with one yet. And what I believe is really the best idea and best online business for each and every one of us is to take something that we already know and love. In other words, a hobby. Every one of us out there has some type of hobby, something that we enjoy doing in our spare time, in our free time. Our hobby is the real great idea for 2020 and beyond. And the idea is to take your hobby and turn that into your online business, or what we call your online side hustle. Your hobby is the one thing that will truly give you joy and financial prosperity. And here's what I mean by that. Let's think about it for a moment. Number one, when it comes to your hobby, something you already love to do and you already do, one, you already love it. So that's an automatic right there. You already love it. Number two, there are other people who already love what you love, which means there's an audience for it. Number three, the people who love what you love already, chances are they already pay for that hobby. If you're a fisherman, golfer, music, if you're into sewing, if you're into woodworking, people pay for their hobbies, no matter what it is. And number four, there are already suppliers. There are already people out there who provide services and goods to that group of people who love that hobby. So what I'm sharing with you here right now is that your hobby can be your side hustle online. You already love it. There's already an audience. There's already people paying for it. There's already suppliers who provide goods and services to it. So the key is to figure out where you fit in that puzzle. And where you fit in that puzzle is what I'm here to do for you. See, I have a hobby. I love fishing. So fishing is my hobby. So I've taken my hobby of fishing and turned that into my side hustle, where I've been able to make money from it. So what I'm saying to you is that what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to do what you already love to do, but do it online and make money from it. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus on teaching you how to figure out what you can teach within your hobby that you love. We're going to talk about how you reach the audience, the people that already love what you love. And we're going to talk about how to create a product that you can offer to the people who already love what you love. See, that's the great idea. The great idea is to turn your hobby into your online side hustle. And that's what I want to do for everyone watching these videos. I want to teach you how to do that. And through these videos and webinars and trainings, that's what I intend to do. So what I would like for you to do right now is please subscribe to this channel right now. I'm going to work to really grow this channel and build it up and really help a community of people have the success that they're looking for to turn their hobby into their side hustle. Now, if you want to be sure to subscribe first and foremost, be sure to subscribe because that's how we grow. But if you would like to receive private alerts when I drop new content, when I do educational giveaways, in the information box, in other words, the description box, there is some text information that you can text. If you text 31996 and the word "the side hustle," you will be on my text alert. And that will allow you to receive additional, not always published information on this project that I'm working on now, which is helping you turn your hobby into a side hustle. So if you want to be on the text alert, go to the box in my description box and you'll see all of that information. But the first thing I'd love for you to do is subscribe to the channel. And then finally, in the comment section, tell me what hobby you have and you love and you'd like to turn into a side hustle, because what I want to do on this channel is customize that learning experience to those that want to listen and learn from me. I've been a professional speaker and an entrepreneur for 20 plus years. So I don't have Lamborghinis and all kinds of fancy mansions to show you. But what I can show you is how a person has survived, thrived, and successfully built a successful business in these uncertain economic times. That's what I have done. And that's what I want to teach each and every one that's watching these videos. So please, at this point, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below of your hobby, something you'd like to turn into your own side hustle, and we will begin this journey together. Once again, my name is Johnny Campbell, called the Transition Man. I wish you all the best in your success, and I'll see you in the next video.